Hey, today we'll learn how to say that we are still doing something, that we keep doing something, or go on doing something. In one word, we'll see how to create progressive forms in Spanish, and in particular, progressive forms with the verb seguir, which is not the only verb you can use to make progressive forms with. Another common verb used to this end is estar, but is used in a slightly different way. So let's concentrate on the forms with the verb seguir only. Now the basic meaning of the verb seguir. So if this verb is used on its own, it means to follow. Here are some examples. ¿Me sigues? Are you following me? Yo sigo todos tus pasos. I follow your every step. Pues voy a llegar primero, seguido de un desconocido. So I'm going to arrive first, followed by a stranger. As you can see, the forms of the verb seguir are irregular. So let's have a look at them next. Now the conjugation of the verb seguir. The verb seguir is slightly irregular in some tenses. It follows the conjugation pattern where e is replaced by I in some of the forms. It's regular in imperfect and future tenses. So here's the conjugation in present tense. Yo sigo, tú sigues, él sigue, ella sigue, usted sigue, nosotros, nosotras seguimos, vosotros, vosotras seguís, ellos, ellas, ustedes siguen. The verb seguir is also slightly irregular in preterite tense, which is one of the past tenses. Here are the forms. Yo seguí, tú seguiste, él siguió, nosotras seguimos, vosotros seguisteis, ustedes siguieron. Now, the progressive forms. We use the verb seguir to make progressive forms. It's followed by a gerund. So, seguir plus gerund equals to keep doing something, to be still doing something. Now, gerund forms. In Spanish, the gerund forms are made by adding the suffix ando or yendo. If the verb ends in ar, we add ando, like here. Gritar, to shout, gritando, shouting. If the verb ends in er or ir, we add the ending yendo. Beber, bebiendo, to drink, drinking. Salir, saliendo, to leave, leaving. And some examples. Veo que sigues llorando, amigo. I can see you're still crying, my friend. Sigues llorando. You are still crying. Yo sigo gritando. I'm still shouting. Sigo gritando. I'm still shouting. Es porque sigue lloviendo. This is because it keeps raining. ¿Dónde está el sol? Seguimos esperando. Where is the sun? We're still waiting. Seguimos esperando. We are still waiting. Y seguís cantando. And you go on singing. Siguen cantando y esperando. They're still singing and waiting. El papá siguió reparando el tejado. Dad was still repairing the roof. Yo seguí mirándolo. I kept looking at him. Los otros obreros siguieron haciendo otras cosas. The other workers went on doing other things. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.